So hi friends, let's continue with the last class which we discussed about the basics of quality. I explained it in very simplified way that how the quality is defined, and so there we talked about two things. One is meeting the specification and satisfy the requirement. These two things we talked about when we talk about quality in very layman's and basic term. Now when we say this particular product is meeting my specification and satisfying the requirement, in very simplified way, any product which we have, it will have some documented specification and requirements, and it will have certain list of specification and requirements. So it could be features, it could be functionality, function 1 to 10, specification 1 to 10, requirements 1 to 10, or like that. Now how do we say that this particular product which is having this set of requirements which I am showing by dot 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 is meeting all the specifications? How do we generally ensure that? I'll try to explain in very simplified way. Those requirements are being implemented. Okay, when we say all the requirements are being implemented, all the features, all the specs are being implemented, and those implemented functionality requirement specifications are being checked. So it will pass through all the checks. It could be process check, it could be product check also. This is how it goes. So to meet that basic requirement, this will pass through all the checks as I mentioned, process and product both, plus some of the standards requirement also that particular product has to meet. Now there are various ways and means to check that all these specs and requirements are being implemented, and how it's being implemented. There are some methods. Maybe those methods in detail we will talk in some other lecture, but methods could be we conduct reviews, we check those requirements are being implemented, specifications are being implemented or not. Second way is to conduct audit, testing, and some field trials and all that. So there are very few other methods are also there, but these are very, I would say, commonly used ways and methods to ensure that this particular product having those specifications and requirements, meeting those specifications, those are being implemented through some checks of processes and products, and some standards also, through reviews, through audit, through testing, through field trial, and many more things. And that particular product will get certified and will get released. Then we say, okay, this particular product, this particular, I would say, design is being certified, it is meeting all the requirements, and it can be released. This is how the basic flow of quality goes. Now to have one more aspect, that how the design of a quality product happens, we have the requirement. Next stage would be design of that product. After the design, implementation will be done and testing will be done, and after testing the product will be released. So here also at various stages, the testing, review, verification, validation, all these things will take place. So let me repeat. In first lecture we talked about basics of quality. In the second lecture we are talking that how the specification are which are being implemented are being checked through process and product through different methods which I have mentioned over here. I hope this brief video of quality, how the product quality, how the process quality is being checked through review, audit, testing, and other methods, I hope definitely it's going to help you out. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.